wants to go trash picking? I do! If you yelled, I do! Then let's go do it. Let's have some fun. See what we can find out there. Meet you at the curb. Shenanigans, I don't do this very often, but I think we're gonna take this little chair. It looks pretty good. Won't smell nothing. Yeah, let's throw that in the back. There's a dime back here from that dryer. I'll have to check my driveway. See if any money fell in the driveway. All right, well, we got a little chair. Let's head out and see if we can find some more. Worse than I thought. I don't know if anything's in this box or not, but I thought we'd stop and check just in case. Nope, nothing. All right. We're in a neighborhood we don't normally go into very often. Make sure her puppy followed her. We don't need to be running over no puppies today. Yep, there it goes. Alrighty. Continuing on. I don't know, do I dare take the metal? Oh, that's hose. I thought that was metal. But can anybody tell me if I do find metal in a contraption like that? Let's see, are you aiming at it? I hope so. Anyway, in a box like that, can I legally take it? I don't know. I don't know what the rule is on that. Wouldn't think it's any different than a trash can. What in the world is that thing? Oh, you know what? I bet that's full of sand for a pool. I was not touching that. Nope, 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 nope. I'm not touching it. All right, let's keep looking. What do you all think we've just found? You guess it yet? You guess it yet? You guess it now? How about now? That's right, found a chair. Not taking that, that's all rusted. Is there anything in the box? Cute little jar. I can take that. What's this? Makeup thing. Alright, I don't need any of that. Boy, is that a nasty chair. Pair of Crocs. Be decent if they get cleaned up. Alright. Alrighty. Throw the Crocs in there. I'm gonna check those bags a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. Remnants of last time. Somebody found something in there, it looks like. That's metal. That reminds me of a little teapot my grandma used to have. I'll take that for sure. That's not going in the dumpster. Is that another tool? Nope. Litter. All right. This will have to go in the back because I'm not having all that in the front again. I shouldn't have done that last time. Hopefully we find enough so that it doesn't blow out. The wind swirls just decently back there to pull things out. When I say decently, I don't mean it in a good way. I think you figured that out though. Alrighty. See what else we can find. I got something right up the street. Hope my hands don't get sticky again. That was horrible trying to get these gloves on when my hands were all sticky. Alrighty. I'll grab the boots. And you know what? We're gonna put them in the Crocs up here so that they won't cause a problem later. And they'll keep that pot in there in case we don't find anything else. I think we will, but... Oh, look, there's a quarter, a penny, a dime. There's a nickel, and a truck is coming. We're gonna carry these separately. You don't realize how heavy these boxes are until you have to lift one. I'm not sure I like that. Put it like that. I think there's another coin there too that I didn't see. The wire, the good stuff. Nope, guess it wasn't another coin. All right, time to get it up there. There we go. All right, continuing on. Thought it was some more metal. I don't feel like grabbing a can today. Sorry. Alrighty. Let's hit it. I think this is officially the biggest fan I've ever picked up. Yep. It's officially the biggest fan. Look at that thing. Wouldn't that be cool if it still worked? We could put it out in the garage. Alrighty. We're gonna put this side up first. Up and in. There we go. We don't need that. No, there's no way to tie it with it, I don't think. Yeah. All right. Let's keep rolling. Oh, wait. There's a box in here. Oh, I guess it's a mess. Yeah. Take the 1 cup though. Alrighty. I wish I had a little barn like that. That thing's cute. I like the color too. Alrighty. Alrighty. I'm pretty sure we got some metal out here. So let's go check it out. Is that metal? I think that's metal. Is it? Or is that plastic? Plastic. I got tricked there. I'm not taking that one because that's mostly plastic. Here's some metal. Some metal. Thought this was metal, but it's wood. Oh well, got a couple things, I guess. Don't forget this. A couple decent sheets here. Couple decent pieces. Get them folded up and put in. Now this one. Off of there. All right. Good thing I wore gloves, because that just would have sliced into my finger, my thumb, if I wouldn't have had them on. There's a box up here. I don't know what y'all think. Should we check it? I guess we can quick. It'll only take a minute, second, whatever. I don't have high hopes, so I'm going gloveless. Nope, nothing. Nothing in the can either that I could see without digging around. Alrighty. I now have no idea where I'm at. So we're just gonna drive around till we find our way out. Yeehaw! That way. Well, that was easy. That was super easy to get out of here. What do you know? See you at the next neighborhood and stop. Do we have something here or not? I'm gonna just go check. I'm gonna go check. Because it can't hurt. I think it might be one of those floating pool mats, but let's see. Oh boy, that wind today. That's gonna be a problem, isn't it? No. Is it? Or is that a rug of some kind? Reebok? Oh, it's a exercise mat, I'll bet. I'm not gonna take that, but I can take these. I wonder if there's more somewhere in this pile. Come on. You lay down again, and you go on top of it and stay. It's not wanting to stay. There we go. Alrighty. Grab a pencil. It's a paint pan. Is it worth working on getting it out of there? I don't know. I'm just gonna say no. Let's keep going, see if we can find some more. Look at that, a pencil. Cool, huh? Add it to our stuff. Uh-oh, got something on my nail. Fruit snacks, the best ones. Right there. Best fruit snacks ever. All right. Onward and upward. Saw these last minute. Those are heavy duty. Those could be used for a flagpole if I wanted. I'll take them. Top rail. Must be to fencing. Chain link. That's what I was thinking. Oh, don't lose that. Oh, that's metal. Just what I thought. Alrighty then, let's keep going. Alright, not sure we're gonna be able to get this, but we're gonna try. At least look at it. Maybe I'll keep my gloves off for the moment. That thing says something on it. Probably set aside for someone. I don't know if there's a cord there or not. Oh yeah, there is. We don't want the whole thing. Let's get our snips. Our nippers. Let's see if we can get this cord without untying this bag all the way. Yeah, let's just untie it, it'll be a lot easier. Alright. There's the end. That's only part of the cord. The rest of it in there? Can't tell. The wind keeps flowing back. Thought I saw more over here, but maybe not. Oh, guess that's it. Tie it back up. Anything in these other bags? There's a bin in there. And I don't know what, car seats maybe? Maybe that's what those are. I don't know. But we don't need them. I should almost go read what it says on that sign that's on the treadmill. But it's up in the yard, so it's evidently for someone. It would just be being nosy. Right, Minnie? You having a good morning? You got something on your eye. Let me get that. There. There. Thank you for watching the truck so good. Yes, thank you. All right, y'all, let's keep going. Okay, y'all. Gonna have to drop the tailgate. Anything in the big box? Nope. Trash? Nope. Other trash? Yep. I think I got tricked. I thought this was a file cabinet, but I don't think that is. It's some kind of TV stand. Oh well, we got this. We'll take it. We're not picky. Let's see. You go under here instead. Let's see what else they got in there. Might be it. We'll come back and make sure. Get all this under the chair. Less likely to fall out. Peek one more time. I don't know what that is, but well, there's a little bit more. That's it though. In you go. Well, at least it wasn't a dud stop. At least we found something, right, Minnie? At least we found something. All right, y'all. Let's keep moving, moving, moving. Keep our wheels a-moving. Move on. Moving, moving, moving. Last stop got messed up. I thought I had shut my camera off the stop before, but I hadn't, so when I jumped out for that last stop, it shut off. And there was a lady standing there looking at me like, what are you doing? So I didn't want to get her wondering anymore than what she already was. There we go. Got anything else here? I wish I hadn't touched that tape. Oh, looks like that's it. All right, we'll take it, because now my thumb has tape all over it. Anyway, we got this plant stand. I think there's a heater in here. That's what we got from the last stop. So, all right, let's keep going. All right, Minnie. This isn't a good road for us to stop on. All right, y'all. That way, well, around the bend. We'll go straight, we'll go right into that house. Ooh, look at the fishy mailbox. Fishy, fishy, fishy. All right, let's go. All right, shenanigans, we are done for the day. We are going to head for home and get this truck emptied out. I don't know, I want to rest for a little bit, but if I do that, I probably won't get it emptied out, because I don't know. I haven't been feeling well, y'all. I don't know why. Oh, I forgot something. Gotta put my hat on. Yeah, gotta have the hat on, right? See? Perfect hat. All right, anyway, I hope y'all are having a great day, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are. We love you from the bottom of our hearts. Until next time, be blessed, y'all. Bye.